not take care of our brain health. It is very vital and an important organ of our body, but stays covered and goes unnoticed most of the time. Brain tumors have become very common, and people are unaware of it, how it is impacting our health, what is causing it. Today we have with us Dr. Arvind, specialist in neurosurgery and spine. So what is brain tumor?
So brain tumor can be any kind of growth, abnormal growth inside the brain that can affect our health, and brain tumors can be of various types, and they can be malignant tumors. There are some non-malignant tumors. Brain tumors are depending upon their growth and types can affect our lifestyle, and patients are most of the time unaware, and when they come to our OPD, when they seek us, they have already developed and they have already grown. The tumor has grown so much that some of the times it's out of our hands to take out completely.
So doctor, when somebody has a tumor in the brain, what are the symptoms?
So first of all, there are more than 120 types of brain tumors. So most of them presents in various ways, but if somebody is having recurrent attacks of headache and they are having loss of consciousness episodes, or they have multiple episodes of vomiting, or they are having seizure episodes, or in the common language we call it fits or epilepsy episodes, or they are having any weakness in the body, one side or both side, upper limb or lower limb weakness, or they are having any recent onset of vision problems, like they cannot see through one eye or both the eye, or even people who are not able to see in the particular field of their eye, like some people cannot see on the right side of the field or the left side of the field. All these symptoms can be can be from a brain tumor, as I said, depending upon the location and type of the tumor. So anyone who is having these symptoms, he should immediately consult a specialist neurosurgeon and at least get a diagnostic test done to timely diagnose the brain tumor.
What are the precautionary measures we should be taking so that we can prevent tumors from occurring?
So as brain tumors have been linked to a lot of factors like radiation, which is a very well-known factor for now, and it is causing a brain tumor called as glioma. Other than that, there are use of tobacco, which should be avoided. Tobacco in any form is injurious to health and can cause blood tumor.
How does tobacco impact the brain?
Tobacco impact because there is normal cell growth and cell regeneration and division. Tobacco somehow affect our genetics, and there are formation of mutant cells which can grow rapidly and form tumor cells, and that can grow as brain tumor. In the same way, the radiation also affects our genes and can cause a brain tumor. And there are a lot of brain tumors which are linked to genetic diseases that unfortunately we cannot mend, and these are mostly present in children, and most of the pediatric brain tumors which our patients come to us within 10 years of age group are genetically induced. So for us, for public to be aware, we should reduce the radiation dose we are getting. For that, we should use less mobile phone, all kind of electromagnetic radiations like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, router. Everything is injurious to our brain. We should try to avoid them as much as possible. We should use phones which are having low SAR value for the head, because that's an important factor which is causing radiation to our head and causes development of brain tumor. And there are some occupations where people are more exposed to the radiation. So wherever you are working in those profession, you should take proper precaution to your head. You should use lead devices to protect your brain and your entire body from the radiation.
So what kind of diet should people follow, or a lifestyle should people follow to avoid tumors?
So as to keep a healthy body, we all should be active. We should be following a regular, less salty, less sugar, and a diet where we don't use too much of spices and oil should be used. And most of the food which we are eating should not be processed food, because processed food has been linked to the formation of various type of tumors. So the fast food we are eating these days and processed food we are eating, and the food which is containing lot of preservatives, chemical preservatives which are not good for health, should be avoided for a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle can always makes your body immunologically better, and that can fight against the tumor cells.